Want to control which meetings Fireflies automatically joins for your entire team? Here's how to set those defaults as an admin. Head to your Fireflies dashboard and click on Team. Then click the gear icon. Scroll down for the Auto Join Settings section. By default, it's set to Allow Teammates to Choose, which means everyone on your team picks their own preferences, but you might want more control. Here are your options. Join all that have a meeting link means Fireflies will join every single meeting with a meeting link on calendar invite. Join only those that we are the owners of means Fireflies only joins meetings your team members actually host. Join only when we invite Fred at fireflies.ai means Fireflies only joins when someone manually adds the Fireflies to the meeting. The next two options help you separate internal and external meetings based on participants' email domains. Join only internal events with company teammates focuses on meetings where participants are from your company domain, while join only external events with non-company participants is perfect for customer calls and sales meetings with people outside your organization. Finally, only meetings with teammates means Fireflies skips any meeting where you're the only person from your company attending. Once you save these settings, they are locked and apply to non-admins by default. However, non-admins can still override these settings for an upcoming meeting by either inviting Fireflies manually via calendar invite or using this toggle button on the dashboard. This way, you get consistent team-wide defaults while still giving people flexibility when they need it.